5 home updates that drive return on investment. In this video, I'll discuss some of the potential updates you could do that would maximize your ROI when you list your house for sale. Hi, my name is Duke Ong and I'm a real estate agent in Honolulu. I'm going to go over the 5 best updates to do when you're preparing to list your house on the market. Even though we are still in one of the strongest seller markets in recent history, it can still be worth it to do certain updates to your house so that you would get a higher sale price or sell it in less time. Before we do that, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. 1. Paint the interior. This is one of the first things that prospective buyers notice when they walk in your house. Make sure to fix damaged paint, fill in any holes, and remove scuff marks. When selecting your paint color, I recommend playing it safe with neutral colors such as off-white. Bold colors may appeal to you, but they can turn some people off. If you have certain outdated trends like wallpaper or wood paneling, it's better to remove it. 2. Brighten up the bathroom. The first thing you want to do is to look at the comparable properties around your house. This will help you choose the right level of finishes for the market that you're in. Regardless of the updates, you want to make it squeaky clean. As for the look you're going for, think timeless and remove outdated fixtures or old design styles, like tiled vanities. If possible, update the fixtures, such as the vanity, flooring, toilet, and bathtub. If it's too expensive or difficult to replace the bathtub, consider reglazing it. This doesn't have to be the most expensive materials, since you want to be on par with the comps on the market currently. 3. Cue in the curb appeal. The first thing buyers will notice when they drive up to your house is the front. Try to accentuate the entrance by enhancing the landscaping and driveway. Sweep patios, decks, and walkways. Tidy up the landscaping and clean up dead leaves. Be sure to wash the windows, inside and out. At the very least, power wash the exterior. Don't forget the backyard, since this is usually a major selling point in the post-COVID world we're currently in. A nice backyard can be a major selling point, where many buyers are looking for more outdoor space. 4. Update the flooring. When in doubt, clean the floor thoroughly. Rip and replace damaged or stained flooring, especially carpet. Consistency is key here. One of the best values in flooring that is on trend currently is luxury vinyl tile. Since it's generally water resistant, you could place LVT throughout the house. 5. Keep up with the kitchen. For the kitchen, work smarter, not harder. You don't have to replace everything. For example, if the cabinets are in good shape, you could just paint it and replace the pulls. As for colors, remember to use neutral colors such as gray. If possible, consider upgrading your fixtures and appliances. Shiny new fridges, sink hardware, and ranges could lead to more return on investment, assuming it matches the rest of the condition of the house. Now, for a few more bonus tips. Make the interior inviting by opening blinds or curtains to let natural light in. Check all light bulbs and replace them as needed. If there is anything that's broken, make sure to fix it. Clean your vents and baseboards. Vacuum, mop, or sweep floors and declutter throughout. Don't forget to remove any personal items. You want the buyer to be able to envision themselves in the space. Organize countertops, cabinets, and closets. If possible, move your stuff to one area such as the closets or garage. Alright guys, that's it for this video on the 5 best updates to do to boost your ROI. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell next to that to continue to learn more about real estate on Oahu. If you're looking to relocate to Oahu, I'd love to help you out. I'll leave my contact info in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.